Hi, I'm Roy. I'm the lead vocalist from the band Joaquin Lees, and I'm going to play you two of our singles today. The first one is called Nights, and it's out October 3rd. Pressure on your mind, I feel it. Your habit of protection won't let me in. Everything we had lost purpose, so you're sitting paper thin. Never in the nights we, never in the nights we took. Always in the nights we lost our heads. Never in the nights we, never in the nights we took, always in the nights we lost our heads. Could you hold on, honey? I'm just 5 more minutes away. You just need to see the emotion to keep your heart at bay. Nothing ever goes the way we always want it. Nothing ever grows the way we always need it. Feel it all and go. Feel it all and go. You feel it all inside your head. Never in the nights we, never in the nights we took. Always in the nights we lost our heads. Could you hold on, honey? I'm just 5 more minutes away. You just need to see the emotion to keep your heart at bay. Never in the nights we, never in the nights we took. Always in the nights we lost our heads. Never in the nights we, never in the nights we took. Always in the nights we lost our heads. Could you hold